Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Cindy here with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be taking down my first Flexi rod set with natural hair. If you guys have not watched my Flexi rod set that I did when I was relaxed, please go ahead and check that out. I will link it at the end of this video. It's the same technique I used, except I used different products. So the products that I used to achieve whatever results we're gonna get today is the Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Leave-In Conditioning Cream. I will link this product below. And I also use the Cream of Nature Coconut Milk for Natural Hair Curl Quenching Foaming Mousse. That's a mouthful. But yes, I will link both of these products down below because this is what I use, or these are the products that I use. So yeah, let's just start taking it down and see what the results are, okay? So when I was relaxed and I used to put flexi rods in my hair, I used to just bend my hair over and shake them out. I'm going to try that same method now that I am natural and see what happens. Okay, well, that didn't do much. So let me just go in. I'm going to coat my fingers with some oil. I'm going to use the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Shine Mist. And then I will attempt to separate my curls. So I feel like I've already separated most of the curls and I am hating the results. I do not like it at all. The ends are frizzy. I don't know if that's because I need a trim or what, or if my hair is just too short still. But let me try to go in and recurl, like finger curl the ends of my hair and see if that helps. But yeah, I'm not liking the frizz that I am seeing right now. And there's no real curl pattern per se. I don't know. So thus far, this recoiling with my fingers does seem to be working, or at least it's helping with the frizz. I'm just going to continue doing this and see where it goes from there.
the boat.
know. Overall, what do I think about my first Flexi Rod set being natural? I think it was a fail. I don't love it, but now that I've done some damage control, I don't hate it. But I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Maybe I need to watch other videos, or maybe it'll be better once my hair gets a little bit longer. I don't know, maybe it's because I used a mousse, but I can't imagine that that would be the problem. I honestly don't know where I went wrong. Maybe I need to try it on wet hair, like extremely wet hair, and then go under a hooded dryer or something like that, and then I would get better results. I don't know. It's a learning process, you know. I'm still learning a lot about how to take care of my natural hair, how to manipulate my natural hair. I just thought that, you know, I used to always get amazing results when I flexi rod my hair when I was relaxed. So I just thought like easy breezy, but clearly that is not the case now that I am natural. But yeah, like I said, I will link my flexi rod set when I was relaxed at the end of this video. Be sure to check that out. If you guys like this video, you know what to do. Give it that thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. I'm coming with more videos, at least 2 videos a week, maybe more. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye!